You know, I'll read it in the comments underneath the videos about me and my mom. The one thing that a addict or a junkie really wants out of life is to be clean before their mama and daddy dies. Every time. You'll see it and read it. People will say, thank God I got right before they passed. And the ones that didn't, like me, I lost my dad in my addiction. Actually, I was just using fucking dope. Okay? Let's not sugarcoat it. And I have a lot of regret. But regret ain't a bad thing. Regret is a great indicator of what's important in your life. Everybody wants to get hung up on regret. Thank God you got some, because that's a fucking map to what you need to be doing and what you need to be preparing and the things of your heart and soul that actually mean something to you, whether you're high or not. It's the great indicator, sober or not. But you'll watch the videos, and if you're in that fucked up situation, because in that fucked up situation, many things suffer. Not only your family, not only you, but even the fucking pets get beat up in addiction. You'll burn them at the stake. You'll keep them locked up in a house. Hell, they'll even run from you if they're like mine. They had enough. But if you'll get right, you get to enjoy life with them. And they can go on to the Lord with a sense of purpose. That they actually fulfilled their duties as a parent and didn't fail your fucking ass because you couldn't act right. Think about that. You only get 2 chances. That's all there is. That's all I ever seen. I had 1 chance and I made right on it. It was the greatest decision I made. If you lost both chances, many of us have children. Fuck it, that ought to be enough. Try that one. If you ain't got no children, look in the fucking mirror and try that one. That's enough, because you're fucking enough to fucking achieve your dreams. To win. I'll be preaching it till I fucking die. Win today. Punish them with your success. Fluid English. Ain't you looking?